two potential game changers from Sony, the FX32 and the FX50. Let's dive into this exciting comparison and explore how these rumored titans might reshape the future of cinematography. First up, we have the compact powerhouse, the FX32. This pint-sized performer is rumored to pack a revolutionary 6.1 MP APS-C BSI CMOS sensor. Don't let the megapixel count fool you. This is all about quality over quantity, folks. With its AI-enhanced Bion ZXR processor, the FX32 is said to deliver mind-blowing low-light performance and dynamic range that'll make your jaw drop. In the other corner, we have the full-frame behemoth, the FX50. This bad boy is rumored to sport a 35mm sensor with a whopping 15+ stops of dynamic range. It's positioning itself as a David to the Goliaths of the industry, challenging the likes of Arri Alexa and Canon C70 at a fraction of the price. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras are promising some serious magic. The FX32 is said to feature an AI-based real-time tracking system that's been described as almost telepathic. Not to be outdone, the FX50 is also rumored to pack advanced autofocus capabilities, though details are scarcer on this front. Stabilization is another area where both cameras aim to excel. The FX32 is rumored to boast an impressive 8-stop, 5-axis stabilization system, potentially eliminating the need for gimbals in many scenarios. The FX50 is also said to include in-body image stabilization, though specifics are yet to be revealed. Video capabilities? Oh boy, buckle up. The FX32 is rumored to offer 4K 120 FPS recording, 10-bit 4, 2 color, and 16-bit RAW output. The FX50, while less specific in the rumors, is expected to deliver cinema-quality imagery that could rival cameras costing much more. Form factor is where these two diverge significantly. The FX32 is rumored to be designed for cage-free use, making it a dream for run-and-gun filmmakers. The FX50, on the other hand, is said to share a similar body style to the Canon C70, but slimmer and lighter. Price-wise, the FX50 is rumored to launch around $3,000, positioning it as an affordable entry into high-end filmmaking. The FX32's price point hasn't been leaked yet, but given its compact size and feature set, it's likely to be priced competitively in the prosumer market. Both cameras are generating buzz for different reasons. The FX32 is exciting filmmakers with its potential to redefine what's possible in a small form factor. The FX50, meanwhile, is stirring debate about the importance of sensor size versus overall image quality and features. Whichever way you slice it, exciting times are ahead for filmmakers. Whether you're team full frame or team APS-C, Sony seems poised to deliver some serious firepower to creatives of all stripes. Stay tuned, keep your batteries charged, and get ready for what could be a new era in digital cinematography.